Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are gonna make chicken Malai Handi. So first of all we need chicken. I have here 1.5 kg of chicken, 2 cups of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 2 tablespoons of white pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, salt to taste or 1 teaspoon, and fresh cream, it's about 3 tablespoons. So now we are gonna make it. First of all we have to blend it. So first of all we're gonna add yogurt, sesame seeds, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, poppy seeds, salt to taste. Then I'm gonna blend it. So now our paste is ready. Now we're gonna pour it. Mix it well. You can marinate this for 1 day or whole night. I'm not gonna marinate this right now. I'm going to cook it. Make sure it have to mix it very well. Now it's time to cook the chicken. So I'm using clay pot. You can use any other container. I'm using it for it will taste more good. Okay, so first of all you have to add the oil, 1/4 cup. Add the butter. Heat up the oil and butter first. Guys, now it's in a pot. Now we will add the chicken. After adding all the chicken and the mixture, set it, and we will let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes in medium flame. We will cover it. Now we will cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. So now after 5 minutes we will add green chilies, and now let it cook for more 15 minutes. Stir it after every 5 minutes. So now it's been 20 to 25 minutes. Now we are going to add cream, and mix it. So guys, at the end add more cream like this, and it's now done. I'm going to dish it out. Mix it again. Your chicken Malai Handi is done. This is the final look. So guys, this is the final look of chicken Malai Handi. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you like, you know what to do. Like please, that really means a lot to me. And comment and share, subscribe my channel if you didn't yet, and make it and share your experience. How is it? We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.